My name is Leonardo Mesa Cepeda. I work here at the Norwegian Radium Hospital in Oslo. And I'm one of the PIs within the newly financed Liposarcoma International study that is financed by the Liposarcoma Sarcoma Initiative. Our project aims to study and to better understand the molecular mechanisms of transitions between a well-differentiated liposarcoma and dedifferentiated liposarcomas. We would also like to bring in more information about the molecular mechanisms of how drug resistance appears in liposarcomas and how these cells adapt to new environments, specifically when they are subjected to chemotherapy agents or targeted therapies. We will also like to better characterize the existing preclinical models in order to create better models for functional and preclinical studies. Specifically, my group would like to investigate the molecular mechanisms of drug resistance to the newly developed inhibitors against MDM2 and CDK4. These two genes are localized in chromosome 12 and they're frequently amplified in liposarcomas and overexpressed. These two events are highly important because they knock down two specific pathways, the TP53 and the RB pathways, which are crucial for cancer cell survival. Pharmaceutical industries that actually develop specific inhibitors have had very good performance in a preclinical setting, but unfortunately they have only shown limited effects in clinical trials. For that reason, we would like to understand the molecular mechanism before this observed drug resistance, using specifically in vitro models that has been developed from patients treated within these drugs. We are really excited to be doing this research because we will bring valuable information about liposarcoma biology. We will better understand how a more benign type of tumors like the well-differentiated liposarcoma transform into an aggressive dedifferentiated liposarcoma, as well as the molecular mechanisms of drug resistance, specifically to these newly developed targeted inhibitors against CDK4 and MDM2. We hope that all this knowledge may translate into the better treatment of patients in the near future.